If you're someone who loves experimenting in the kitchen or just needs a reliable tool to make everyday cooking easier, this Fullstar 5-in-1 Immersion Blender set might just be the perfect addition to your culinary arsenal. This versatile, powerful, and user-friendly hand blender promises to handle a wide range of tasks with ease. From blending smoothies to whisking eggs, chopping vegetables, or frothing milk for your morning latte, the Fullstar hand blender aims to be your go-to kitchen companion. Let's dive into a detailed review of this product and explore why it could be a game-changer for your kitchen routine. Why choose the Fullstar Immersion Blender? The Fullstar 5-in-1 Immersion Blender is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-use kitchen tool. Here's why this blender stands out. 1. Powerful motor. The 500 watts motor provides the power you need to tackle a wide range of kitchen tasks quickly and efficiently. 2. Versatile attachments. With 5 different attachments, this blender can handle everything from blending and chopping to whisking and frothing, making it a true multitasking kitchen tool. 3. Durable construction. The stainless steel body and blades are built to last, ensuring long-term reliability. 4. Ease of use. The ergonomic design, intuitive controls, and easy-to-clean parts make this blender a joy to use. 5. Safety features. Built-in safety mechanisms protect both the user and the appliance, making it a safe choice for any kitchen. The first thing that catches your eye about the Fullstar Immersion Blender is its sleek and modern design. The black stainless steel body not only looks stylish but is also durable and built to last. This immersion blender is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, whether you're whipping up a quick smoothie for breakfast or preparing a multi-course meal for dinner guests. The blender features a 500-watt motor, which is powerful enough to handle tough ingredients while maintaining a relatively quiet operation. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort, making it easy to hold and maneuver the blender for extended periods without straining your hand. The control buttons are conveniently placed, allowing you to switch between speeds and functions effortlessly. Another thoughtful addition is the silicone pan protector that comes with the blender. This protects your non-stick pots and pans from scratches while blending directly in them, a feature that shows Fullstar's attention to detail in ensuring their product is not just powerful, but also gentle on your cookware. At the heart of the Fullstar Immersion Blender is its 500-watt motor, which provides plenty of power for a variety of kitchen tasks. Whether you're blending, pureeing, chopping, whisking, or frothing, this blender does it all with remarkable efficiency. The blender offers 9 speed settings, giving you precise control over your blending task. Whether you need a gentle stir for delicate sauces or full power to crush ice or blend tough vegetables, this blender has you covered. The turbo mode is particularly impressive, providing an extra boost of power when you need it most. This feature is especially useful when dealing with tougher ingredients like frozen fruits or fibrous vegetables, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. The stainless steel blending arm is designed to be both durable and effective. The 4-prong blade is sharp and sturdy, capable of breaking down ingredients quickly and evenly. Whether you're making a silky smooth soup, chunky salsa, or a creamy smoothie, the Fullstar blender delivers excellent results with minimal effort. One of the standout features of the Fullstar Immersion Blender is its versatility. This isn't just a blender, it's a complete kitchen tool set. Comes with multiple attachments to handle a variety of tasks. 1. Blending arm. The main attachment is perfect for blending soups, smoothies, sauces, and more. The stainless steel blade housing is designed to blend ingredients efficiently, and the arm is long enough to reach deep into pots or mixing bowls. 2. Whisk attachment. The whisk attachment is ideal for whipping cream, beating eggs, or making meringues. The 9-speed settings allow you to achieve the perfect texture for your recipes, whether you need a gentle whip or a fast beat. 3. Milk frother. The frother attachment lets you create cafe-quality frothy milk for lattes, cappuccinos, and hot chocolate. It's also great for frothing non-dairy milk, making it a versatile tool for any kitchen. 4. Chopper attachment. 600 milliliter chopper bowl is perfect for chopping vegetables, nuts, herbs, and even meat. The sharp blades and powerful motor make quick work of chopping tasks, saving you time and effort. 5. Measuring jug with lid. The included measuring jug is a convenient addition, perfect for mixing and storing ingredients. It's also a great size for making single servings of smoothies or other blended drinks. This 5-in-1 functionality makes the Fullstar Immersion Blender an incredibly versatile tool that can replace several single-function appliances in your kitchen, freeing up space and simplifying your cooking routine. The Fullstar Immersion Blender is designed to be user-friendly with a focus on convenience and ease of use. The detachable attachments make it easy to switch between tasks, allowing you to move seamlessly from blending to whisking to chopping without missing a beat. The attachments snap on and off with ease, making it simple to switch between different functions. Cleaning up after using the blender is also a breeze. The blending arm, whisk, and frother attachments are dishwasher-safe, which makes cleanup quick and easy. The chopper bowl can also be easily cleaned with warm soapy water. Just be sure not to immerse the motor or frother in water, as these parts are not dishwasher-safe and should be wiped clean with a damp cloth. Compact design of the Fullstar blender makes it easy to store, even in kitchens with limited space. The detachable parts can be neatly stored in a drawer or cabinet, keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free. The Fullstar Immersion Blender is designed with safety in mind. The stainless steel construction ensures that the blender is both durable and long-lasting, capable of withstanding the demands of daily use. The motor is designed to prevent overheating even during extended use, ensuring safe operation. The blender also features built-in safety mechanisms to prevent accidents. The attachments are designed to stay securely attached during use, reducing the risk of accident. Additionally, the motor has overheat protection, which automatically shuts off the blender if it starts to overheat, preventing damage to the motor and extending the blender's lifespan. In conclusion, the Fullstar Immersion Blender 5-in-1 hand blender is a versatile and powerful kitchen tool that can simplify your cooking tasks and improve your culinary experience. Whether you're an experienced chef or a home cook, this blender offers the performance, convenience, and durability you need to take your cooking to the next level. If you're looking for a reliable, all-in-one kitchen tool, the Fullstar Immersion Blender is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.